Welcome. In this video, we will learn about reinforcement learning, in that creating an environment. We want the machine to understand the process of learning so that they can do it on their own. Humans learn by observing and interacting with their surroundings. When you go to a new place, you quickly scan and see what's happening around. Nobody is teaching you what to do here. You are observing and interacting with environment around you. By building this connection with environment, we tend to gather a lot of information about what's causing different things. We learn about what cause and effect, what action lead to what result, and what we need to do in order to achieve something. Let's open my directory which contain my files. First, let's see the output. Let me run the command python space run environment.py, and I will pass on the argument as cart pole. If you run it, you will see a window showing a cart pole moving to your right. This following window shows initial position. In the next second, you will see it moving towards the end. You will see it going out of the window. Here you can observe. Let's use different argument, that is mountain car argument. So let's run the command as python run environment.py mountain car. If you let it run for a few seconds, you'll see that the car oscillate more in order to reach the flag. It will keep taking longer stride. If you let it, it will reach up to the flag. So this is how reinforcement technique adapts to the atmosphere and trains itself. Now let's see the code behind it. The first is import argparse. The argparse module makes it easy to write user-friendly command line interface. Import gem. This OpenAI gem is a toolkit for developing and comparing reinforcement learning algorithm. Next, define a function to parse the input argument. We will be able to specify the type of environment we want to run. That is def build argument parse. In that, you can see in choices cart pole, mountain car, pendulum, taxi, lake. So these are already in library which I am utilizing. Main function, that is if name main, and parse the input argument, that is args build argument parser parse argument. Input environment equals to arg dot input environment, and pass the input arguments. Now let's create a mapping from input argument string to the name of environment as specified in the OpenAI gem package. It is name map cart pool mountain car. We are matching with whatever is in OpenAI gem package. In OpenAI gem package, these names are different. We are just redefining them with different name, which is easy for us to call. Now create the environment based on input argument and reset it. Environment equals to gem dot make name map input environment, and environment reset. Now iterate 1000 times and render the environment. For in range 1000 environment render. Take action during each step, that is environment.step environment action space.sample. So this is the code. We are just using all four environment from OpenAI gem. Now let's move to the output. So the first one is cart pole. After execution, you saw how cart pole works, adopts and move out of our screen. The next is mountain car. You can see how it oscillates, and it keeps on oscillating until it reaches the flag. So that's it in this video on reinforcement learning on creating an environment. So in code, we basically created 4 to 5 different environment, and we saw how it adopts and acts. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.